I'm Lawrence. Just want to share my experience traveling west of Brisbane into Outback, Queensland. Now, basically, we started off in Brisbane and we then went to Charlton, which is west of Toowoomba, and we charged at the Queensland electric charger. And basically, the charger that we used was this one here, the CharterMo adapter. And that would give me about 220 kilometer per hour. So we probably I have a Model S, so 75D, so the full range is 370 kilometer. And this will probably take about an hour and a half, to charge fully. So I'll charge fully from Toowoomba, and then getting to Aroma, I think I got there with about 12% left, 12% now. And when we stay at Aroma, we didn't actually stay at the Tesla destination charger motel. So you actually stay there and you probably charge it up in 4 hours. But we actually stay in the normal motel, and I had to use one of these this one here, which is a 15 amp socket, 15 amp plug, but I had an adapter to adapt it into a 10 amp socket, and then I plug it into this one here. Now all these are from the loan program for the TOCA, as a TOCA member. So that goes in here, and then you plug it into your normal mobile adapter, normal mobile charger. We then went to Carnarvon Gorge. Unfortunately, we couldn't book a place to stay at Carnarvon Gorge. So if you want to go to Carnarvon Gorge, you probably need to book somewhere where you can actually stay there and overnight and then charge overnight. Because in my car, there's no way for me to go from Roma to Carnarvon Gorge and back. And then coming back again, you charge a full tank and then go back to Charlton. On the Queensland Superhighway, you basically just need the CharterMo adapter and the Type 2 Maneki as a backup. And that's all you need. And then on the normal household plug, you could use one of these with your these and the portable plug. So it's no problem. I think the benefit of being a TOCA member is that you are able to borrow the whole set of cable. Because you don't necessarily want to buy the whole lot because you're not going to use it all the time. Now this one here you can buy from Tesla themselves. That's $700. That's probably the most important one, the CharterMo adapter, and then the Type 2 to Type 2. That's also quite expensive as well. So those are the two. Generally, if you want to go north to Cairns and west to Toowoomba, CharterMo and Type 2 is the one to go. If you want to go past Toowoomba into the Outback, then you would need all the three-phase cable, the 32 amp and the 20 amp cable, as well as your 15 amp adapter.
You can join Tesla Owners Club Australia Queensland chapter and benefit from the loan program of different charging gear, charging adapters, charging cables. For those of you who are curious what is past Tesla Superchargers and Tesla destination chargers, because that's what makes road trips with these amazing cars interesting. Specifically, if you are in Queensland and Northern New South Wales, join Tesla Owners Club Australia Queensland branch for interesting events, get-togethers, and creating and growing this community of Tesla enthusiasts. If you have found this information helpful, and if you would like to see more of these videos, click on the subscribe button now so YouTube will send you notifications of our future videos. Thank you.